Let's take a look at adding night and holiday lighting with Pro Landscape. One thing that's important to keep in mind is that the night and holiday lighting is integrated in with the photo imaging part of Pro Landscape, so you don't have to go to a separate module or start a separate project to add lighting to any design that you've done. Whether you've landscaped it, in this case like this one, we've landscaped this, or you've just taken a picture of a house and you want to add night and holiday lights to it. Let's start out by going to our lighting tab, and we have hundreds of light fixtures from different manufacturers. Let's select some path lights in this case, and we'll scroll down and find a light that we want, and we simply drag it out and drop it into place. The red dots are a little bit different from what the plants have in that these define the light cast, so we're going to move those a little bit, and then we'll size the fixture. We can move these as necessary, and we'll size the fixture down just a little bit more and say that's where we want the light. That's the spread that we want to see from the light itself, and also the light source, which is the white dot being the brightest spot. The nice thing about it, defining one of them, is that we can now just come in here and click a few more and add a few more lights along the edge of our bed, and we can move these front to back if we need to. But let's press the enable lighting button right now, and we'll see that we're going to light up those lights and show what it looks like at night. So very fast, very efficient. Let's come back here to the daytime, and let's select let's go ahead and uplight the area of the stone back behind the plants, and then behind this tree as well. So we'll choose our light polygon tool, and we'll just define this light area that we want. So we'll drag up here. Green dots where we're clicking, it's quite simple. Click a few times. Now this white dot is the light source, meaning the brightest point. So if we were down lighting, from the soffit, we would simply drag that up, but in this case we're up lighting, so we'll drag that down, and we'll see right here that's our defined light. And then we'll draw another one over here coming up from these shrubs like so. Drag this down as well, down here to the bottom, and again we'll press the light bulb and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, so we have our uplighting. Now we do have these in front of the plants, and obviously we want those back behind, so we simply select the light, we say move to back, and it moves back behind those lights. So we move those to the back like so, and we have our lighting. Looks quite nice. Now we do have this porch light here that was built in, and so let's go ahead and light that up. We can click on the light polygon, and we'll just define an area for that light. We can see we're drawing as the light as we go, and we'll come up here and over here to the side of the fixture and right click to finish. Now the white dot again is our light source. Obviously in this case it's the bulb, so we just drag that up, and we can see it's going to be a little bit brighter here by the bulbs, and we have our finished lighting design. Quick and easy, fast and efficient, so we can add our lights that way. If we need to, we can come over here to our lighting tab on the side, and we could adjust the color of these lights. We can select a light if we wanted to and change the color. We want to make it a little bit more green, a little more red, maybe a little warmer as opposed to a cool light, but that's all adjustable for any lights that we draw. Moving on from that, let's go ahead and add some holiday lighting real quick. Typically we'd use a picture of the entire house if you want to show a dramatic holiday lighting effect, and in the library over here as well we do have a number of lighting displays, which are garland wreath, nativity scenes, etc. So there's a number of displays that will light up when you drag those out. But just for simplicity, let's add a light string here. We select a light string, and we'll put some holiday lights right across here. We drag that out and finish the line, and then again we press the light bulb and see what those look like at night. Now if we select those, we have a number of adjustments we can make. We can adjust the size of the lights, make the lights themselves, the bulbs, bigger or smaller. We can adjust the spacing, so we want those spaced out maybe a little bit more. We can adjust the the glow, which is going to be how bright they are, like so. And we can even adjust the number of bulbs, which basically just turns these light fixtures into more of a an icicle light. With glow is probably a little bit high for that. So there's our basically our lighting design. If we want to, we could add another one up along here. To show that, and then just use the same settings that we had. Making that light look the same as the other one. Just the spacing just a little bit. So very quickly we could add night and holiday lighting to that as well to complete our lighting design. Again, built in, it's integrated, it's easy, it's fast. It's a great way to upsell your customers using Pro Landscape. Thanks for watching.